Last fall, the NCAA voted to make every first Tuesday in November a community service and civic engagement day. So college sports hit pause on their practices, allowing athletes and coaches to vote, volunteer, and give back to their communities. For the second straight year, Bowling Green head volleyball coach Daniela Tomic helped out at the polls, a cause near and dear to her heart after becoming a U.S. citizen 4 years ago.
I love this community, first of all, Bowling Green community, and I wanted to be a part of a democratic process, and I actually, the last presidential election was the first time that I voted, like in a general election, right? Because I was always, I was out of my original home country, Croatia, so it was very special for me, and I've heard that there was a need for poll workers, and I signed up. I went through the training, and it was such a great experience just to see how democracy works, how the voting process is. It's amazing when you see how that process goes. Everything is done in bipartisanship fashion, and if I could make one rule, it would be that everybody should work as a poll worker at least once in their lifetime to see how amazing the process is.
Tomic and the Falcons host Kent State this weekend. We'll hear more from the Orange and Brown tomorrow on Sports Nightly.